Ja, we're back with another video. Let's get it.
My style, untouchable. When I'm in my zone, I'm gone.
First off, what you guys want to do is pull up your emergency brake, chock the wheels, make sure to chock it on both sides. On the Camaro, it's pretty easy to jack up the car. Don't mind me, this is my first time doing this, so it could be a lot better. There's a lot of metal pieces on the bottom where you could jack it up, so that's not too bad. And if you guys are wondering, right there, that is your oil pan, and your transmission is right behind it, right there. But today, I'm going to be doing a power steering fluid change, which is going to be located under here. Let's get it.
Real quick, y'all, before you guys start this job, make sure the engine is cooled down before you touch anything, because it's going to be super hot and that could be very, very dangerous. I had to wait like maybe an hour or so for everything to be cooled down, so that's why I covered her. And it's super hot outside right now, so that didn't help. Yeah, now everything's cool, so let's get this job done. You know what I mean?
All right, so I got this method off of Chris Fix. You just need a turkey baster, a catch can to put the oil in, and go into your manual and find the right power steering fluid for your vehicle. This one is a GM, General Motors, so it takes this one right here. It also says for like European cars, Asian cars, etc. But when I Google searched it, it also says this brand right here is still good for the Camaros. The best part about this job, no tools required. All right, so we got the cap off, which is right here. Make sure to put back on your oil engine cap right here. You don't have to fully screw it, just leave it on top so then nothing can get inside of it. And you got two more valves right here. This one is for your coolant and this one is for your power steering. If you get confused, do a quick Google search or YouTube and you'll be all right. This is your dipstick. Get your turkey baster. This is going to be time consuming, so what I'm going to do is use something else. I got one of these cool pumps right here, put a water bottle to it. You can get this on Amazon for like 10 bucks, or at Ross where I got mine. Stick this in. Straight inside. This pump. You make sure to clean up your mess. Get a funnel, power steering fluid. The thing about this Camaro is there's no way for you to tell how full it is until you put in the dipstick. Crack this open, pour it little by little. Let's go into the car. Ow, so hot. All right, get your keys. Put on the arm. And now you're gonna turn it all the way around, then back all the way around, left and right, all the way, like 7 times. What you're doing is you're pushing the pressure so it can suck in the new fluid and push out the old fluid. I lost count, but it's okay. Just bring it back to normal. Back into the hood. And the key comes right out. Remember how I showed you guys how I fixed it? It works beautifully. You want to keep doing this until the oils start to turn a little lighter, like a lighter color. Then I'm gonna repeat the process by going to the car, turning the wheel left and right, fully. Okay, the fluid looks pretty good. You guys can see the color. It's clear. So that means whoever had this car before I did didn't bother to top it off or nothing like that. Well, all right, that wasn't too bad. Now what you want to do is get your dipstick. I don't even know where I left it at. Right on my face. So you see right here, it has a minimum and maximum sign on it. It's labeled. Let's check that out. Fully seated. Take it back out. Give it a good wipe. Seat it again. Okay, and it looks like I am above nothing. What? And if you add too much, you can always use your turkey baster and pull some out. That should be good. Let me make sure, go back into the car, do a few turns, and I'll come back. These are the things you gotta watch out for when you're buying like used cars. You gotta make sure all the fluids are good, everything's running correctly. This was my first time ever buying a used car, and it happened to be a Camaro. There we go, and then the fluid looks pretty good. It is over the maximum line, so I'm gonna pull out a little bit using that turkey baster again. And if you accidentally pull it out too much, you still got some left over, or whatever you took out, just put it back in. Feel me? And then start a cap. Fully take that out. Wipe it down a little bit. Check the work. She is filled up. Let me pull out a little bit more, but that is looking clean. Man, on the Honda it's easier because you could see how much you put in. It's just a hassle. You got to keep doing the process over and over. All right, I think that's pretty good. It's a little blotchy up top, but all right, that looks good. Right at the line. Bada bing, bada boom. Now let me do it one more time with the steering wheel, and we'll call it a day. Ooh, it is hot. It is hot as hell. Key. Shit in the turbo. It's a long turn. 1.7. Bring it back. You should be good. Check your valve again. That's pretty good. There you guys go. Make sure you see it correctly. Pretty good right there. With this. Secure the plating. Engine cover. Put that in there. Make sure it sits flush. You're good to go.
Look how dark that old fluid is. Nasty. Time to remove the jack stands and let's lower the baby, right?
Now, since she's lowered, I forgot to say this, it's better to check your fluids when your car's lower. So I'm gonna do that right now. Also, don't forget to remove your chocks. Not gonna be needing those right now. Chill. Wow. Perfect. If you guys can see that. Let me hit the light. Right at the line. I might add a little bit more though. Just a splash. The splash was a little bit too much, but I think it should be okay. Now let me start her up, the valve off. Oh God. Now reinstall everything. Make sure there's no leaks anywhere. Alright. And that, my friends, is how you change the power fluid on your 2011 Chevy Camaro. I'm not an expert, okay? I watch a lot of YouTube videos and got a lot of guidance from Chris Fix. Alright, y'all. See y'all on the next one. Peace.
My style, untouchable when I'm in my zone. I'm gone. You're calm, but there's one support.